good evening. Very good evening. Sorry, I got late today, but I wanted to make sure that we connect. Yeah. Very good evening. Good evening, Rudra. Very good evening. Hi Soumya. Hi Vamshi. Hi Vishwa. Hi Karthik. Hi Archit. Yeah. Try. So whatever you have seen, now you have to do it. I mean, that's actually good. I put it in my WhatsApp status. Yeah, thank you. I mean, any fast beat song, of your choice, try to play that. Do that, 20 jumping jacks, and then take 20 seconds break. कितना कर सकते हैं उतना करिए. Minimum is 60. Minimum is 60, and you can go in multiples of 60. Okay, so that will be good for you. It will be overall body circulation भी हो जाता उसमें. Yeah. Hi Hafiz. Hi Nilesh. चलो. Good. Yeah, keep sharing. Very nice. So today we will get into this new topic. Okay, before that, give me a moment. So we'll get started with education savings account. Yeah. Fine. Here we go with the first question. चलो शुरू हो जाओ. Yeah. Very good evening. Go ahead. Answer. Go ahead, participate. Read the question properly. Okay. Okay, D 529 plan has no contribution limit, right? Right, so D is the right answer. Good. Okay, now who else has given the right answer? Okay, Vamshi Krishna, 529 plan allows unlimited contributions. Good. Good. Yeah, good evening. Yeah, Rudra, good. 529, no contribution limit. Shivagami, good. Right, Vishwa. There's an annual contribution limit for Coverdell ESA, but not for 529 plan, which are offered by the states. Right, good. Good, Nilesh. 529 plan has annual contribution limit, right? D, no annual limit, right? Right. Sujata, good. 4, maybe you meant D. Okay, D, no annual limit, right? Hi Mohan, good evening. Yeah, D, allowed unlimited contributions, right? QTP and ESA, I'm sure he has answered it here. There's an annual contribution limit for ESA, but not for QTP, which is 529 plan, which is offered by the states. Okay, so fine. Let's get into the next question. Yeah, go ahead. Answer. Yeah. Add a little explanation. Very nice. Good. Good, Hafiz. Good explanation. A, it must be distributed once the beneficiary reaches 30 and can be rolled over. A is correct because special needs beneficiary has no 10% penalty, so they can withdraw anytime. Okay. Now, if you see the question, the balance of a Coverdell education savings account may be distributed at any time without penalty if the beneficiary is a special needs beneficiary. Special needs beneficiary. That must be withdrawn within 30 days after the beneficiary reaches 25. No, it is after he reaches age 30 years. Then cannot be rolled over for the benefit of another beneficiary. No, it can always be rolled over from one Coverdell ESA to another. And what else? Must be distributed after the person is 18. No, it's after the death, or once the person reaches age 30. And so A is the right answer. That's all. Simple. That's all. चलिए yeah. Okay, who has given the right answer? Very good, Soumya. A, the beneficiary must be under 18 for special needs beneficiary. Good. Pawan, good. Nilesh, good. Then A, if the beneficiary is a special need beneficiary, he can contribute anytime without penalty. Okay, right. Vamshi Krishna, a Coverdell ESA distributed within 30 days. Is my voice audible? Yeah. A Coverdell ESA distributed within 30 days of earliest of beneficiary reaches age 30, who is special needs beneficiary or beneficiary death. Good, Vamshi. Yeah, but A, special needs. Good. Fine. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, regarding covered ESAs, which of the following statements is false? Okay, the benefit applies to higher education and to elementary and secondary education expenses. Yes. Up to $2,000 is deductible in contributions per eligible beneficiary. No. Contributions to a covered ESA are not deductible. And whatever the amount is getting deposited into that, it grows tax free until it is distributed. And we just learnt a while ago also that it must be distributed within 30 days of somebody reaching, the beneficiary reaching age 30, unless he is a special needs beneficiary or or on beneficiary's death, whichever is earlier. Okay, so that's all. And what is DC? Okay, the balance in covered ESA must be distributed within 30 days after the earlier. Yeah, so unless the beneficiary is special needs beneficiary, right? The amounts deposited in the account grow tax free until it is distributed, right? So B is the right answer here. B. Yeah, I guess people have answered it right. That's what people have answered. Vishwa Chaitanya answers first. Okay, though there are contribution limits for education for covered ESA, they are not tax deductible and the distributions are not taxable if used for qualified education purposes. Right, good. Next, contribution to covered ESA are non-deductible, right? I like this. This is more simple and then straightforward, right? Then contribution to ESA are non-deductible, right, Archit? Right. Option B is false because contribution to covered are non-deductible. It's like chit fund. Good, nice. Next, B, contribution to covered ESA is non-deductible. Good, Rudra. Madhivani, good. Contributions are non-deductible. Good. Next, the contributions are non-deductible, so distributions are not taxable. Right? ESA applies for SHE. SHE. Secondary education, higher education, and then elementary education, right? The distribution has to be collected once the beneficiary reaches 30, tax free. Good, Hafiz. Nice. Chalo. Next. Take up the next question. What amount can be contributed to a covered education savings account? Certain things which are very easy, we'll try to rush it up. Yeah. Good. Yeah. What amount can be contributed to a covered ESA per year? $2,000 per beneficiary. That's all. Simple. Right, that's all. So, what is this? D. Okay, fine. So, taxpayer can contribute up to $2,000 for each beneficiary. Good, Hafiz. 2,000 per year. D is the answer. Yeah, D is the answer. 2,000 per year. Good Shivagami, good Saumya, yeah, good Vishwa, good Archit, good Madhivani, good Nilesh, good Vijay. Right, perfect. Chalo, next question. Fatafat karo. Small topic it is. Let's complete this soon. Yeah, good Vamshi. These are very interesting questions, you know, and you can recommend, you can give, you know, good tax planning, you know, solutions to clients, you know, with these things also. So that's why I say, you know, when you study with an intent that you will serve your clients or your company, you know, with this knowledge. So let's see. For Madhavi, 3 separate covered ESAs were set up for her, one for her parents, one by her grandfather, and one by her aunt. Madhavi's older brother Sagar also has a covered ESA. Okay. The grandfather contributed 600 to Madhavi's ESA. Okay, in 2020. 3 separate ESAs were set up for her, one by her parents, one by her grandfather, one by her aunt. 3. Lucky fellow. Madhavi's older brother Sagar also has a covered ESA. Okay. Brother is also there. The grandfather contributed 600 to Madhavi. No other contributions were made to Sagar or other account. What is the total maximum amount the parents can contribute to Madhavi's and Sagar's ESA for 2020? The parents' Maggie was 110,000. They filed a joint return. Okay. Now we have been reading, you know, everywhere that the maximum contribution to a beneficiary cannot be, you know, more than $2,000 and all. Okay. The total of all the contributions to a covered ESA for one beneficiary cannot be more than 2,000. Now here grandfather has contributed already for Madhavi, so parents can contribute only 1,400, and छोटे बड़े के लिए $2,000 ESA, right? So 1,400 for Madhavi and $2,000 for Sagar. So 3,400 is the answer. Okay, so D is the answer. Let's see who all have given the right answer. Yeah, $1,400 to Sagar and 2,000. नाम इधर उधर हो गया. अर्चित बट आपने ऑप्शन सही दिया है. संभल के राइट, बिकॉज 2000 टू सागर एंड 1400 टू माधवी. चलिए, रुद्र प्रताप 2000 टोटल. ओके, माधवी -600 कंट्रीब्यूशन प्लस 2000 प्लस हाँ सागर. ओके, टाइपो एरर. गुड. चलो, D 3400. गुड. एनुअल पर अकाउंट 2000 प्लस 2000 -600 contributed, so 3400. Good. चलो, सौम्या 3400, 2000 -600 for Madhavi plus 2000. Right. Very good, Soumya. Very nice, man. Good. D for Madhavi, parents can contribute 1400. Okay, grandfather contribution. Okay, Sagar. Right. Good. Good, Vishwa. Next, Rupali Vyas 4000 -600, 3400. Good. Nice. Hafiz, they can have n number of account, but the sum contribution has to be $2000 per beneficiary per year. For Madhavi, 600 was contributed by the grandparent, so remaining 1400 plus Sagar's full 2000 contribution, 3400 has to be contributed. Very nice. Good. Good, Hafiz. Next, Madhivani. Good, Madhivani. Right. Contribution made by grandfather excluded. Very good. Nice. Chalo, next question. Let's take the next question. Go ahead. Add explanation, it will make things easy. Okay, regarding covered ESAs, which of the following statements is false? Only one rollover per covered ESA is allowed during the 12-month period ending on the date of payment or withdrawal. Yes, that is right. Only one rollover per covered ESA is allowed during the 12-month period ending on the date of payment or withdrawal. Yeah, that's right. Next, B. Assets can be rolled over from one covered ESA to another. Yes, absolutely fine. Then all withdrawals from an ESA during a tax year are tax free. They are tax free only, to the extent they are used for qualified education expenses. So if they have withdrawn more or something like that, then it is certainly taxable. We all know that, right? So all withdrawals may not be the right answer. Next, eligible elementary or secondary schools are eligible schools for qualified expenses, right? Good. Now, all withdrawals from a ESA during a tax year are tax free. Yeah. All withdrawals. वो एक ठीक नहीं है. Yeah. Rest all I think it is good. Yeah. So C is the right answer. Chalo. Let's see what you have written. So all gave the right answer, people. Soumya, C. Not all withdrawal are tax free. It is used for qualified. If it's used for qualified education expenses, it is tax free. No. Nahin. Yeah, see, good. Rudra, all withdrawals are not tax free. Good Nilesh. Good Madhivani. Withdrawals are tax free for qualified education expenses, and so all withdrawals are not tax free. Good Archit. All the withdrawals may not be tax free. Maybe there's a situation where withdrawal was more than education expenses, so tax will be levied on that part, right? Withdrawals from ESA are not taxable only when beneficiary attains 30 years. Yeah. Good one. Withdrawals are tax free only for qualified education expenses. Correct. ESA are tax free if they are used for education expenses. Yeah. I think Vamshi, it should be more of you being used for education expenses, and not that, not just that one. Yeah. Good Hanak, Rahul. Yeah. Then C, tax-free withdrawal only for qualified education expenses. Good. I'll add a little explanation to your answers. Yeah. Withdrawals used for non-education purposes are not tax-free. Right. 10% penalty is applicable. Can be rolled over to another covered ESA in 1 year. Yeah, applicable for SHE. Yeah, secondary education, higher education, and then elementary education. Good. Very nice, Hafiz. Yeah. Only withdrawal for qualified education expenses are tax free, else 10% penalty is applicable. Right. Perfect. Yeah. So go ahead. Next question. So which of the following can be claimed in the same year the beneficiary takes a tax-free distribution from a covered ESA? He takes a tax-free distribution from a covered ESA. Yeah, LLC, I mean lifetime learning credit or American opportunity credit, yes. Hope credit also, yes. So obviously all of these choices, no? Yeah, as long as the expenses are used for education purposes and not for other purposes, yeah, definitely. Okay, so D is the answer. Okay, so D looks like the answer. And who all have given the right answers? Yeah, Soumya, good. Good Nilesh, good Rudra, good Madhivani. Yeah, sure about lifetime and AOC. Hope credit, okay, fine, good. Rupali. Next, Vishwa. All credits can be taken for different accounts but not for the same expenses twice. Yeah, hope credit, yeah, that's a very old one. So yeah, all of these, as long as same expenses are used for both the benefits. Good, Vamshi. Then all seems to be education credits, so going with option D. Good. Okay, as long as they are not used for both benefits. Good. All of these, because they are all education credit. Yeah, however, he cannot take the tuition fees deduction if he takes AOC or LLC. Good, correct. Option D, all are relating to education expenses. Good. Chalo. Fine, let's take up the next question. Good. Okay. Regarding covered ESA rollovers, which of the following statement is false? Only one rollover per covered ESA is allowed during the 12-month period ending on the date of payment or withdrawal. Yes, only one rollover in the 12 months. Yes. There are no tax consequences for changing the designated beneficiary if at the time of the change the new beneficiary is under age 30. Right. Correct. Next, the amount is rolled over if it is paid to another covered ESA within 90 days after the date of withdrawal. No. That is 60 days. So that's not 90 days. Then the last one, the amount in a covered ESA can be transferred tax free to a first cousin. Yeah. Right. That is, and it is not taxable in case the beneficiary is under age 30, right? So C is the answer. It's 60 days, not 90 days. Chalo, so C is the answer. Who all have given the right answer? Let's see. Yeah, C, rollover within 60 days. Very good. Then Soumya, good. Amount is rollover if it's paid to another covered ESA within 60 days, not 90 days. Very good, ma. Good. Rollover must be made within 60 days from the date of withdrawal, but not 90 days, right? 60 days, not 90 days. Good, Rupali. Rollover 60 days, not 90 days. So as you are listening me speaking this, it should get registered in your subconscious mind, right? Rollover within 60 days, not 90 days. Tell that. Okay. Archit, C. Good. Nice. Rollovers are allowed per only one rollover in 1 year within 30 days. Tax free if beneficiary is under age 30. Cousin is qualifying relative, so is allowed and is tax free. Good. Nice. Because roll over time is 60, not 90. Very good, Madhivani. Bribu Prasad, not 90 days, it's 60 days. Beneficiary can be anyone. TP, spouse, QC, QR. Very good. Nice. Good. Okay, let's take up the next question. Simple question only, right? Which of the following is not an allowable expense for a QTP? Equipment required for enrollment? Yes, we need that. Expenses for special needs services? Yes, that's needed. Room and board for students enrolled at least half time in a degree, right? Expenses paid for purchase of computer technology used equally by the beneficiary and his family. Abba. It must be only for the beneficiary. So D is the answer. Okay. Chalo. So who all answered it right? Pawan Kumar D. Good, Pawan. Expenses paid for beneficiary family members. Good, Nilesh. Expenses paid for purchase of computer technology used only primarily by the beneficiary, not equally by his family. Very good. Any expense made, it should be used by the beneficiary only. Sharing is not allowed. Next, expenses paid in beneficiary family. Good. Personal expenses are not considered as QTP, right? Good. Expenses paid to buy computer should be for beneficiary. Good. Expenses paid for beneficiary family members not allowed, right? Good. Must be used for beneficiary only. Bas khatam. Right. Okay. Chalo, let's get into the next question. So D is the right answer here. Chalo, go ahead. मस्त है ना क्वेश्चन. Which of the following expense is not a qualified expense regarding a ESA? Expenses incurred in calculation of an education tax credit. Means what you paid to EA or your CPA, that's what they are given there. So obviously the first option goes straight. It's like expenses included in preparation of tax return, something like that. So that's the right answer. Next one, expenses for enrollment at a public, private or religious school that provides K-12 education as determined under state law, right? I mean, that is a qualified expense. Next, extended day programs required or provided by the school. Yes, room, board, uniform, transportation. Yes, they are all qualified expenses. B, C, D are qualified expenses. So the only thing is A, odd one out. So A is the right answer. Okay. Chalo, very good. Yes, Soumya, very good. Very good. Good, Nilesh. Good, Archit. Because we cannot get the benefit twice for the same expense. No. That's not the explanation, but right answer. Good, Rudra. Expenses should not be both for both benefits, ESA and education tax credit. Okay, you are taking it like that. Okay, it's not a deduction. They said deduction of calculation of education credit and all. Yeah. It says expenses are included for another credit, so cannot be for ESA. Okay, good Madhivani, nice. Calculation of educate tax is not a qualified expense. Rest other are qualified educational expenses. Very good. Bas, khatam. Chalo, let's take up the next question. Go ahead. क्वेश्चन भी ऐसा पूछता है यहाँ पे. All unique options he has given. Good. B is the right answer here. See, यहाँ पे देखो, see A, you have that, I mean, which of the following ESA distributions would an additional 10% tax apply? Distributions made because the beneficiary is disabled, circle, highlight that word, disabled, okay, is disabled. Next, distribution, so, exempt. Distribution that is more than the beneficiary's adjusted qualified education expense, more than, right? So more 10% pakka it will apply. Benefits paid to estate upon death of designated beneficiary. Death not applicable. Included in income only because the qualified education expenses were taken into account in determining the AOC or LLC, American Opportunity Credit or Lifetime Learning Credit. Yeah. Good, this is also exempted. So B is the right answer. Okay. Somebody asked a while ago, what is Hope Credit? Is it still in existence? Hope Credit, American Opportunity Credit is just an extension of the Hope Credit. That's all. That was there in 2009 or so. But now it's only American Opportunity Credit and Lifetime Learning Credit. So while we are solving MCQs, it will have some previous EA exam questions also. It is also there. So some old topics might also have been included in this. Okay. Yeah. Chalo, next question. Go ahead. busy day today, so maybe if I'm looking tired and exhausted, I'm sorry, right? I'm good, thank you. It's a simple question regarding the excess contribution penalty for a ESA. Which of the following is false? Okay, so excess contribution must be withdrawn by April 15th. It's actually June 1st. June 1st of the following year. Then only excise tax will not apply. So A is the wrong answer as of now. Let's see B, C and D. Beneficiary pays 6% excise tax on excess contribution, right? The penalty is calculated on form 5329, right? Contribution to ESA in any given year cannot exceed 2000, correct? Right, perfect. So A is the right answer. Khatam baat. Okay. Chalo, who all have written this? Excess contribution must be withdrawn by June 1st, not April, not June 15th, right? Good. But anyways, good. The answer is right, explanation is not. Excess contributions must be withdrawn before 1st June of the following year. Very good. Next, in case of capital ESA, excess contribution must be withdrawn on or before June 1st of the following year. For IRA, it is the due date with extensions. Okay, good. Right. Excess contributions are withdrawn before June 1st of the following year. Very good. Chalo, next question. I think this is the last question. Yeah. Go ahead. Again, it's a repeat question, right? Okay, so which of the following statement is false? QTP rollovers must be made within 60 days. So that's the answer. It's not 30 days, it's 60 days. Okay. Then only one rollover is allowed during the 12-month period, right? Transfers from ESA to QTP are treated as non-taxable distributions, right? QTP distributions are not taxable if rolled over into another QTP for a member of beneficiary family. Correct. That's all. It has to be 60 days. Okay, so A is the right answer. Who all have given the right answer? Nilesh again. Good, Nilesh. Good, Vishwa. Good, Soumya. Good. Good, Hafiz. Good, Vamshi. Good. Chalo, good, Madhivani. Okay, so no man or a woman ever reached to excellence in any one art or profession without having passed through the slow and painful process of study and preparation. Slow and joyful process of study and preparation. Slow and purposeful process of study and preparation. Slow and practical process of study and preparation. Right? Patience always pays. चलो, good connecting with you. थोड़ा break ले लीजिए आप. 10-15 minutes will take, and I'll come back again. Yeah, चलो, take care. Bye bye. Okay, welcome back. While the world is partying, we are preparing, right? Because the future belongs, always to those who prepare for it. This sacrifice, God is watching, and you will be a witness. Okay? So don't be disheartened. We are doing a good thing. So just keep moving. Chalo. Let's take up the first question. Go ahead. Yeah, let's take up the first question. Sometimes, when we are tired also, still we should do, what we have to do, because that's the right thing to do. We must have heard that, no matter what, dress up, show up, right? Chalo, fine. Jaldi karo. Go ahead. Solve this. Okay, let me read the question for you. Sony had a summer job. Sony had a summer job at a coffee hut. Yeah. She made $18 in tips in May, $755 in June, $600 in July, and $45 in August. Great. She didn't realize she was supposed to report her tips to her employer until a co-worker told her. After that, she reported $1,000 in tips to her boss. Okay. What amount of tips will have to be added to income on line 8 of Sony's Form 1040? Good. What is line 8? Tell me. What is line 8? Tell me. Type in. Okay, good. Yep. Right. Good. Other income, right. Good. Anyways, who answered it first? Okay, all tips are recorded. Employer and employee. Okay, good. What's the calculation you wanted to give, Nilesh? I think the calculation is missing there. Good. Yeah, I like this. Total tips received. Yeah. Is 1418. Reported to employer 1000. So 418 has to be added. Right. Perfect. Very good. Good, Soumya. All tips. Okay. Yeah. 418 to be reported. Right. Good. Good, Vamshi. Good, Rudra. Nice. Good, Afeez. Yeah. No, not D, all tips. B. Yeah, other income, right? That's line 8. Yeah, line 8, right? $1,000 already disclosed. Okay, so difference will go there, which is 418. Good. Chalo. So B is the answer here. Yeah. Chalo, let's take up the next question. Go ahead. Let me read the question for you. Suhasini is a waitress. Yeah. Suhasini is a waitress and earned $15,000 in wages, not including any tips she received. She received tips of $17 in February, which she did not report to her employer. She also forgot to report the $58 for tips that she received in March. She did not report the $7,000 she received as tips for the rest of the year. How much must she report as wages, tips, and other compensation? Go ahead. Type in your answers with an explanation. Okay, I think this was pretty easy. Good, I like this answer. Good. All incomes, right? All incomes must be reported. Yeah. Right, fine. All incomes, right? All incomes must be reported. So 15,000 plus 17 plus 58 plus 7,000. Everything must be reported, right? So D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Okay. Chalo, who answered it first? Nilesh. Good. Vishwa also good. Soumya also good. Rudra Pratap good. Archit good. Income must be included. Yeah, right. Very good, Hafiz. Nice. So let's take up the next question. Yeah. Go ahead. Which type of income is exempt from tax? all tips. I saw this comment somewhere. Yeah. Uncle Sam, do not leave anything without taxes. I like this. So D is the answer. Okay. So right. Okay, good. None of the choice. All income tax. Yes, that must be reported. Good Nilesh. Good Vishwa. Good Archit. Good Rudra. Good Bibu. All tips are part of federal income tax. Non-cash tips are not included in calculation of FICA taxes. Good. Good Hafiz. All the tip incomes must be reported to the employer by the 10th of the following month. 10th. T for tips, T for 10th. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Next one. It's a number based question. So Soumya, yes, 8%. It's a number based question, so just in case you missed it, it's there in your explanation also, so please make a note. It is 8%. Employer must allocate tips among employees who receive them if the total tips reported to the employer during any payroll period are less than 8% of the organization's gross receipts for that pay period. Okay, so 8% is the answer. Yeah, good Sanjay, good Vamshi. Chalo, fine. Let's take up the next question. So let me read this question for you. When Chandu was laid off, he received state unemployment compensation totaling $4,000 before finding a new job. He had not made any contributions to state unemployment program. How much of his state employment compensation is reportable as taxable income? We know that once you get your 1099G, that full amount of unemployment compensation, that is taxable. Of course, for the last year they had that 10,200 exemption and all. 10,000 or 10,200 something, that was the exemption for last year. But here we will go with 4,000. He will have to report the entire 4,000. So D is the right answer. I believe many have given the right answer. Yeah, right. Good. D taxable because not contributed to the program. Good, Soumya. Right, he did not contribute any amount, so fully taxable. No contribution, so income is taxable. Good Vishwa, good Sanjay, good Rudra, because he did not contribute to employment program. Good Madhivani, right. Good Ramjan, good Vamshi, good Yuvraj. So next one. Right. Check. Something happened to the video, right? Thoda that. Do you see any difference in the picture? Yeah. Something happened. Anyways, maybe camera also gets tired after 12 at night. I understand you. But always obey your master. Obedience brings blessings. Yeah. Anyways, chal. Yeah. A is the right answer. Direct deposit of IRS refunds, which statement is false? Taxpayer can choose this direct deposit refund into as many as 4 accounts. 3, right? Then IRS is not responsible if a financial institution refuses a direct deposit, right? A refund or a part of refund can be directly deposited into traditional IRA, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, but not a simple IRA, right? A direct deposit refund must be into an account in the taxpayer's name. Must be into an account which has the taxpayer's name, correct? So A is the right answer. Okay. Chalo, so A is the right answer, and then who all have given the answer? Yeah, Soumya did. Next is Vishwa Chaitanya. Very good. Good ma. Sanjay, good. Yeah, good Nilesh. Archit, good. Good Rudra. Good Madhivani. Good Vamshi. I like this. Maximum 3 accounts by filing form 88888. Yeah, 3 accounts, 3 8s are happy and other one is sad. Okay, right. Chalo, next question. Good. Anyone kept a track of how many MCQs we solved today so far? Any idea? Oh, okay. Thank you, Atik. Good. Okay, let me read the question for you. Okay, one quick feedback for you. Whenever your boss or manager or anybody superior is asking you a question, okay, unless that is something not factual, okay, don't use like I think, okay. You have to think. But Vishwa and Soumya, I mean, just telling anybody, you know, जब boss कुछ पूछते हैं, like, you know, what is the 401k contribution for this year? So don't tell I think it is dash. Okay, take time, Google or get the facts right, and then tell him it is. Okay, pakka undal answer like this. This is the 20th one. Okay, so don't use I think and all. Yeah, this felt like saying you. I was trained by Shivkera sir, the author of You Can Win. When they had the public speaking programs and all, I was one of the best public speakers there. So with the little knowledge that I have, I'm just telling you. And also, you know, when somebody is asking you also, don't say I think. I mean, yeah, I did not, I know, I don't know. All of that. Be specific, don't be generic. Yeah. There's a different version of me, you know, that tries to correct you. Okay, which of the following is a correct statement pertaining to refund of direct deposit? Okay, correct statement. A taxpayer may charge a fee to process direct deposit refund as long as it doesn't exceed 1% of the refund amount. Why? Why would he charge fees to process the refund? Next one. An amended return refund is eligible for direct deposit, but only if it is used to purchase electronic US savings bond through a US Treasury direct online account. All these are some bogus questions or answers, no? Right? Next. In an effort to combat fraud and identify theft, the IRS limits the number of direct deposit into a single financial account or prepaid debit card to 2 refunds per year. 3 accounts to hai kaisa bhi, right? Anyways, 3 accounts are allowed. A taxpayer should caution taxpayers to list as the first account on Form 8888 an account into which the taxpayer would want the entire refund deposited in the event there is a delay in the processing of the return by the IRS. Yeah, looks like this is the right answer. That's all. D is the right answer. That's all. D is the right answer, sir. Chalo, who all gave the right answer? Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, Vamshi. Good. बिस्किट स्टेटमेंट्स पक्का हैदराबादी बोले आप. Right? I mean, especially in taxes, don't say I think and all, okay? Because client will also ask you, can I invest into SEP IRA and things like that. What is the amount? Don't say I think and all. I mean, a proper professional will not like that. Yeah. Sir, dad is serious. He's complaining of chest pain and all, and doctors, the heads and all have said that he has to go through, some bypass surgery or something. Do you think, it is safe to go? And do you think, he will survive? And then the doctor says, I think, hey, this is not for both of you, okay? So don't feel bad, because you're all my kids, students. So I wanted to make sure, that you put the things right. Yeah, use the right statements. That will be good for you. Chalo. Fine. Yeah, next question. Chalo, go ahead. Okay, let me read this question for you. Good. fine. Bhaskar asks that his refund of $780 be deposited into 3 different accounts, 300 into account 1, 300 into account 2 and 180 into account 3. However, Bhaskar owes federal taxes of $290 on an earlier tax year. How will the refund be deposited? How will the refund be deposited? Go ahead. Go ahead. Awaiting more answers. Good. I like this answer. Yeah. Hafiz. 790. No. Yes, specify that 300 to be different for remaining 190. Third account 0. क्या दिए भाई? You gave biscuit option. Answer ठीक है. I mean explanation is right, but option you gave wrong. भाईजान नींद आ गया? नींद आ गया क्या? A is the right answer. Yeah, good Nilesh. Calculation wise this is right. Yeah, but explanation? Right, Vishwa Chaitanya. Very good. 780 is the refund. Previous dues are 290, so 490 is the remaining refund. And because he stated the order of the accounts, $300 in account 1, remaining 190 here, and then account 3 is 0. Yeah, that's all. Good Vishwa. I like this explanation. Good Vamshi. Nice. Chalo. Let's take up another question. So A is the right answer in the earlier case. Yeah. Go ahead. Taxpayers refund may be reduced by an additional federal tax liability or by other amounts the taxpayer owes. After satisfying the taxpayer's additional current federal tax liability, which offset takes second priority to reduce refunds? Okay. Past due legally enforceable debt owed to a federal agency? No. Past due legally enforceable state tax debt? Okay, you can say this as the first one is third, second one is fourth. This third one, past due child tax support, is second one, and future federal income tax liability, that's the last one. Okay, so current year जो भी taxes है, that is first. Okay, so even if you see in your explanation also, you must be seeing this 5 things, right? Federal income tax owed, right? Or past due child support, and then federal agency, state income tax debt, and then future federal income tax liability. Okay, so 5 चीज़ों को आप याद रख लेना. Remember those 5 things. Okay, so in our case the answer is C, child. After IRS, the first thing that they want to, after the current year taxes, the first thing that they want to do is past due child support. Okay, so C is the answer here, and Soumya answered it right. Very good. Then Nilesh also, very good. Vamshi also, very good. Very good. Okay, chalo, let's take up the last question for today. We'll stop here. Right, go ahead. Which of the following is not taxable income? Gold nuggets. Gold nuggets. Okay, so I take this. Inheritance is not taxable. Madhivani, good. Not taxable income. Yeah. Next one. Okay, gift received as inheritance is not taxable at the time of receipt, but taxable at the point of sale. Very good. Good. So these gold nuggets which is received as an inheritance, receipt is not taxable, but in case that is sold and they make some gain and all, then definitely that income is taxable. Yeah. IRA distribution is taxable, gifts and inheritance is not taxable, jury duty pay is taxable, renting goods income is also taxable. Awesome. Yeah, gift received as an inheritance is not taxable. Very good. Good, Arshit. Nice. Okay, so A is the right answer here. Okay, chaliye, so we will close here. Yeah, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah.